Do you like to gamble? Do you like to go to the casino? Play blackjack, roulette, maybe hit the slots? Yeah, it's a good time. I like to go on this website called Royal Tiger Imports and buy B and C grade rifles at pretty cheap prices for, considering it's 2024. The milsurp market kind of sucks. This is an Enfield, a C grade Enfield. C, I don't really have high hopes. I'm going to struggle and open this box in front of you. Don't hit it. This blade sucks, by the way. There we go. So, what I don't like about RTI, packing peanuts. I hate packing peanuts. Oh yeah, that's a lot of packing peanuts. They got their FFL paperwork for my records. Jeez Louise. Alright. So I know these don't come with a magazine. Well, I bought one. Jeez. Alright. Get rid of that. Get this on the table here. I'm not expecting much. I'm not really expecting the wood to be good. The barrel could be all messed up. But for $199 before shipping, oh, we'll see. First look, she doesn't look that bad, to be honest with you. Let me get this paperwork tag off. Put that right there. So, all the bolt pieces looks like it's there. Let's see. Oh yeah. I mean, I think... Oh no, I'm aiming it at the camera. Oh, for $199 with like $27 shipped, I think I did pretty good. As you could see, the Ethiopians were kind enough to take a wire wheel to it. Pretty cool if you ask me. Not really, but Barrel is solid. I heard some of them came with very loose barrels. Let's see. To be honest with you, I've never owned a Mark IV. I don't know how to get that out. I guess I'm just going to look like a friggin' idiot. I'm pretty happy with it. See if the mag fits. Oh. Well. Oh. Hey. It fits. See if the bayonet fits. I've never put one of these on. So. Oh. Maybe the wrong way. I don't know. You guys are the experts. You can tell me in the comments. Yeah. No practice on this, so. Yeah. I don't think that works, but I believe I got a mostly intact rifle. Let's see, does the safety work? Safety does work. I don't want to dry fire too much. Yeah, I gambled and I feel like I won. I'm gonna take this for the for what it is, a $199 C grade rifle. I mean, it looks functional. I have a V mark. Just a small import mark. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, I mean, I'm really happy with it. I'm incredibly happy. Yeah, this is I don't know, pretty cool. And look, the it's not really wobbly. Hopefully, I'll figure out how to put the bayonet on, and not look like an idiot. I already have looked like an idiot though, so is what it is. Really happy FedEx didn't leave it at the end of my 300-foot driveway like they always do. They just left it at my garage. They didn't take my signature. They just dropped it. I'll show you on the security cam footage if I'm feeling cheeky. Yeah, I mean, I feel like I gambled and won. It is what it is for what it is. I live in Massachusetts, where one of these at a local store in worse shape could cost you $500 to $700 because people out here are insane. So yeah. Hope you enjoyed. I have a few more of these videos coming in. I bought a few more B-grade guns from RTI. I guess tune in, subscribe, like, comment if you want to keep seeing these. And if you like to gamble. Here's what the Royal Tiger Imports $199 Enfield looks like after a quick wipe down. I couldn't get this bayonet on because these guys are a little gnarled and I'm going to have to file them up or something. I'll deal with it. But yeah, she's ready to shoot. It's pretty much a smooth bore. Sight works. Even have a trapdoor works. You need a screwdriver to open it. Gotta lube it a little. Yeah, whatever. I don't care. It's RTI. Everyone's like, oh, you know, they're gonna send you shit. I've had somewhat decent luck. I honestly don't care about the finish because I'm gonna shoot my guns. I'm gonna take them out in the back 50 and throw them in the back of my side-by-side and actually enjoy them, unlike a lot of autistic people on the internet who don't think you should be able to have fun with your guns. So yeah, it's cool. Oh, do a little throat test for you. Oh, yeah. She wasn't counterboard. That's there's nothing in there. Let me see if I can pull the bolt out. I also, yeah, figured out that you have to depress that, not pull it out. A little wobbly. And I believe the only part I'm missing is the stacking thingamajigger. Oh yeah, that's a piss poor bore. I really don't care. I'm going to send it. I'm probably never going to shoot this beyond 100, 150 yards. Really not going to make that big of a deal.